Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we discuss spectroscopy unit 1. Now topic is photoelectric effect. The wave of sufficient energy incident on a metal, then electrons are ejected from its surface. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. जब कोई वेव किसी मेटल पर पड़ेगी तो उससे इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्ट होंगे। इस फिनोमिना को हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट बोलते हैं। लॉज ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट। फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इजेक्टेड फ्रॉम ए मेटल सरफेस व्हेन द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन becomes equal or greater than the work function of the metal. Second law, the number of photoelectrons emitted per second is directly proportional to the intensity of incident radiation. Third, the maximum energy of photoelectrons do not depend on the intensity of incident light but relies on the frequency of light. Photoelectric effect is exclusively used to explain emission of photoelectron on irradiation of electromagnetic radiation on metal surface. Now this is the principle of photoelectron spectroscopy. It is developed by Saint-Juan and Turner and Price. Procedure involves removal of electron from the orbits in which it is present by irradiating the sample with radiation of characteristic energy. The binding energy is equal to half mv square. दिस इज़ द वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल्स एंड कोर ऑर्बिटल्स। जब इस पर ये एनर्जी पड़ेगी तो यहाँ से जो ऑर्बिटल्स हैं वो कोर ऑर्बिटल से वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल में चले जाएंगे। एज द एनर्जी ऑफ फोटोन इज नॉन बाई ऑब्जर्विंग द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू डिटरमाइन द आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी और बाइंडिंग एनर्जी ऑफ द electron. The binding energy of electron depends upon the orbital in which it was present in the atom or molecule under study. This information is useful in characterizing the atom or molecule, determining the elemental composition of sample. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel that you get notified earlier and press the like button and share with your friends.